Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, we will be learning how to stretch an image in Canva. To stretch an image in Canva, first of all, open up your Canva application and start a new design or open up an existing one. I'm just gonna open up a blank canvas on the screen. If you have done the same, go ahead and add a photo on the screen first. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Uploads. Go ahead and upload a photo from your device's camera roll or other options available on the page. After selecting an image and adding it to your canvas, you will be able to see it on the screen displayed. Make sure that you tap on the image that you would like to stretch, and you will be able to see white corner handles and side handles around the image. Go ahead and drag the corners of the image in order to stretch the image into the canvas. You can also compress the image using the handles provided in the corners. This will stretch or compress the image uniformly, keeping the aspect ratio. Now, you'll also be able to see a side handle on the image on all the sides. You can drag the side handle and this will stretch the image vertically or horizontally. After the stretching is done, you might want to reposition the image. Simply drag the image to move it around the canvas and place it in the desired location. Crop if necessary using the crop option at the bottom. And once you are done with the stretched image, you can share or download the image according to your preference. That is how you will be able to stretch your image that has been added to one of your designs in Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.